What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are. No trade Monday. No trades today. Well, I could give you a hint at why. We can look at the gap scanner, and you'll see that the top three leading gappers are all with floats above 20 million shares. I prefer under 20. So just based on float alone, I shouldn't really trade any of these stocks. LFCR, this is actually top gainer. So let me just, hold on, let me resort this to top gappers. Top gappers, right here, TMPO. So this is as of 9:30. These were the top gapping stocks. And these three were our top gappers. And although INM was the right float under 10 million shares, and certainly under 20, the price was too low. So price too low, float too high on NCYB right here. Float too high, so that's no good. This float's too high. This one's okay, but the price is too low. INVO price is too low. This one wasn't trading that. This is a bank stock, RSLS, okay, float's all right, price is okay, but it's only gapping up 16%. It's not the leading or most obvious stock today. So the fact is, last week was a red week for me, and I said, you know what? I need to stop right where I'm at. I don't want to keep trading. I don't want to trade bank stocks. These are too choppy. They're not safe, and they're taking all the attention. In terms of leading volume today, bank stocks, and this was when we were looking at the scan as of like 9:15. It was all bank stocks at the top. So and I talked pretty extensively about why I think bank stocks are too risky to trade right now. So I'm not going to go over that again, but I'm not going to be trading them. And so that leaves me in a position where I have to sit tight. So I'm going to batten down the hatches. I'm going to sit tight. I'm going to wait for stocks that actually fit within my strategy, within my wheelhouse, and then I will happily trade those. But I am not going to churn and generate losses trading stocks that are outside my strategy. So my strategy, price between 2 and 20, float of under 20, generally. Lower is better. And I want to trade stocks that are obvious. Leading gappers, leading gainers, super high relative volume, moving quickly. And if we don't have it, then the right move for me is to sit on my hands and be patient. Discipline is what's going to get you through this market. Now, I'll say that those of you trading the bank stocks and losing money, trading them and just digging the hole deeper and deeper and deeper, you are showing your true colors, because those are not the right type of stocks for retail traders to be messing with. I'm sure there's some out there that have made money on them, but I've seen traders bigger than me losing 6 figures, even 7 figures, trying to trade these, both long and short. They are very, very difficult. So, all right, well, unfortunately, that's siphoning off a lot of volume and a lot of attention. You know, some of the degenerate traders out there are just still all in on the bank stocks. So they're focusing on that stuff. And when something does pop up that might have on another day been a good opportunity, there's not enough people focusing on it, and there's not a lot of momentum, and there's to the upside, and there's not a lot of FOMO to the upside. There's fear right now, and there's a little bit of greed going on with people trying to make money on the bank stocks. But this is a market where there's been a loss of confidence and there's more fear. This is a market where it is more difficult to make money, period. And so for right now, I'm stepping back. I'm going to be watching, carefully looking for something that fits within my wheelhouse, and when I see it, I'm going to jump on it. I'll be aggressive when I see it. But I even hesitate to say super aggressive, because if I saw something right now that's A quality, it's still presenting at a time when the market's choppy and difficult. So even A quality is probably not going to be as close to as strong right now as it would be if the market was hotter. So this is a time to be patient. Patience and discipline will get you through. I get, if you're a beginner trader, you might be saying, Ross, come on, I just got started. I want to be trading. I want to be making money. I can't afford to just be sitting tight. You know, I haven't made $10 million. I can't just sit back and relax and watch stocks, you know, that are choppy. I got to trade them. I hear you, but learning to trade right now in an atypical market, experience is valuable. So experience is good. But if you had a strategy that was working really, really well in an atypical market, it's kind of hard to say how that would work in a more normal market. So anything you would be doing right now, back testing, you know, doing one trade a day, you'd probably have to repeat it when the market is a bit more normal. So this is a good time to be gaining experience. If you're a new trader, it's better you start now than wait for 6 months or a year, because you're in the market, you're gaining experience. But Also, look around you. If you see other traders who have been doing this a lot longer than you saying, this is a time to be a little cautious, then I would hope you're, listening to that and reducing your risk. So like, I don't want to hear of traders blowing up their accounts this week, and I saw some traders take some huge losses last week, and I'm like, you guys, come on. This is not the time to be swinging big. If you're going to take that kind of risk, at least do it during a time when the payoff could be like substantial. Payoff's not going to be substantial right now. So this is a time just to settle down, be patient, wait, gain experience in a simulator. That's fine. Watch price action, get a better feel for market sentiment and sort of how these things are moving. But don't try to be a hero right now. It doesn't make sense. So that's where I'm at here. Monday morning, it's a no trade day, but certainly better than a red day. And there just simply wasn't anything that fit within my strategy this morning. So no trade Monday. All right, that's it for me. Reminder as always, trading is risky. Manage your risk, take it slow, and I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning.